Do you want to make your YouTube homepage beautiful? One way of making it beautiful is to create a YouTube banner, and that way you're telling others this is what my channel is all about. You're telling your viewers this is what my channel is all about. So first you go to your editing app. I am using Canva. Then you go to the search bar. Once it's loaded, you click on the search bar, type in YouTube banner. Then you see different design there. You pick from the one you want. But if you want to create yours from the scratch, you click on the first one that is white. Then next you edit, put your name, what your YouTube channel is all about, and your picture. Now we are done. You go ahead and save. So once you're done saving, we'll go to our YouTube channel and click on that. You click on this small pencil there, then you edit, pick your design, then you zoom it. So go ahead and click on save. If you're done, they said that it will be showing like this. Says it's mobile, but using desktop it will be showing full. So since I'm using mobile phone, it's okay like this, but some people are going to be viewing my channel and they'll be using mobile phone. Not everyone have an iPhone, a laptop. So let's go ahead and edit it. I don't like it that way because my face is not showing. But if you like yours that way, no problem. So we'll go back to Canva and we'll go ahead to edit it. I try in cropping the pictures to see if it will be good, but I don't still like the effect. I don't like the way it is. So let's just go ahead and change the picture totally. So I'll click on replace. Once I click on replace, I'll go ahead and choose any picture that I want. So now that I'm done choosing my picture, the next thing I'm gonna do is to edit something. There are some things that I did not add. I would love to be doing it there in my channel. So I'll just go ahead and add it and save. Then right back to YouTube and upload, guys. Go back to upload, click on Canva, then pick the image, and that is it, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like my video, and share so that others can know how to create their own YouTube banner. And that is it, guys. Our design is ready. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.